Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hard reset iPhone. So irrespective of your iPhone, if you want to hard reset it, I'm just going to show you the prerequisite. So you can just go ahead, proceed, and then hard reset your iPhone. Mark you, before you hard reset your iPhone, you want to decide whether you want to remove your Apple account to disable activation lock. So this is important if you want to transfer the ownership of your iPhone to another person. You first need to log out your Apple account. So to start with, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, click on your profile name. Then once the profile name opens, scroll down and make sure you click on sign out. So you can see I have sign out is not available due to restriction. I personally restricted my sign out. So click on sign out in your own case. Now, once you've signed out of your Apple account, go ahead, click on general. On the general page, scroll down, locate and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on erase all content and settings. Here you should see erase this iPhone. To reset or hard reset your iPhone, click on continue. Then you should see, are you sure you want to erase all media content and settings? This cannot be undone. If you want to proceed with this, make sure your iPhone is backed up to the iCloud so that you don't lose your contact, your photos, and other valuables on your iPhone before you go ahead and hard reset it. Because if you do, by clicking on the erase iPhone, this is going to delete all the information on your iPhone permanently. So go ahead and click on erase iPhone. Once you click on erase iPhone, then just hang on, and then your iPhone is going to be erased, and thereafter you'll be prompted to set up the iPhone from the scratch, and then you're good. So that is exactly how you can easily hard reset your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.